In my previous video, I had discussed about some literary terms in English literature. Now I will discuss about sonnet. So what is sonnet? Sonnet is 14-line lyrical poem which is written in iambic pentameter. So the first sonnet writing was introduced in Italy. So Italian sonnet, which is also known to be a Petrarchian sonnet, has octet and sestet in its sonnet. Octet is 8 line and sestet is 6 line. So problems and solution is given in same poem. In octet, question is asked and in sestet, answer is given. Between octet and sestet, there is volta. What is volta? In volta come in 19th line. इस फेज में पोएट सवाल पूछने की जगह जवाब डायरेक्ट देता है. Italian sonnet was discovered by Geggico da Lentini, who is the greatest poet of Italy in 13th century, but it was popularized by Francisco Petrarch, who wrote a sonnet for his beloved Laura. So this sonnet is also known to be as Petrarchal sonnet. Now there is English sonnet. English sonnet is also known to be as Shakespearean sonnets, and the rhyming schemes of English poem sonnets is AB, AB, CD, CB, CB, CD, EE. English poem was first came in England by Thomas Water, who is the greatest poet of 16th century. But the Earl of Surrey changed the structure of English sonnets. Now the Petrarchian sonnets has changed into iambic pentameter. In this, 3 quatrains and 1 couplet is used. Rhyming schemes of English sonnet is same A B A B C D E B E F G G. Now William Shakespeare started a new phase of sonnet. He started to give answers in the last 2 lines, that is in couplets. There is other kinds of sonnet. Modern sonnets, in this no rhyming schemes is used. Octant sonnets, this occur between 13th century and 14th century. In this AB, AB, BA, CD, CD, CD rhyming schemes are used, which is different from Italian sonnets. Now Shakespeare sonnets, in which the rhyming schemes are A B A B B C B C C D C D E E. Now Curtal sonnets. In this line has been cut to 10.5 lines, and then this was developed by E.D. G.M. Hawkins. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like it and subscribe my channel.